Today we're gonna give a nightlight to the chickens and heated water so the water doesn't freeze.
That's right, yeah. You want to grab the camera and follow me around? We'll get this chore taken care of?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
So we're going to be using this heated poultry water bucket from Farm Innovations. It's a 60-watt bucket. It holds 2 gallons of water. It is thermostatically controlled to only come on when it's cold enough where the water would be at risk of freezing. So we're going to hang this up in the coop and plug it in. For that, I have this. It's about 3 gallons of water that's been sitting out for a couple hours. It's about 30 degrees out right now, just below freezing. So this water is still liquid, but it's really cold. So we're going to pour it in and see if it will come back a little bit, see if it warms up. We also have a light we're going to use. This is a LED. It's a little 11-watt LED bulb. It says it's the equivalent of a 75-watt incandescent. So we'll use this light, and to power everything, we have this switch box with an outlet with a photo control switch that'll turn the light on at night, and this outlet is constant, so the bucket will always have power to keep warm. I made this in a prior video, a how-to video on how to set this up. So if you're curious on how this works, go check out that video. And but yeah, we'll take this stuff, we'll go in the coop, and we'll get started. Let's do it.
All right.
Alright, first we're going to hang the light. We'll put this up first. And I want to keep this outside of the actual coop so that if the bulb burns out, we don't have to go in the coop to change it. So this, I'm thinking I could put, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to put this right here, and then that will it'll let some light go in the coop, it'll let some light stay out of the coop. So let's screw that up, because I'm good at screwing things up.
Caution headphone users.
These chickens are a little sketched out by what we're doing here, but that's okay. Okay, next we're going to hang our water bucket on this rope, on this here rope. So this is the water this here's the water we've been using, and I've been giving them additional water on the days when it's below freezing, just so they have fresh water. But this, as you can see, that's a solid block of ice in there, so that's no good. So this one we'll get rid of. This one can hang here. And the cord, so this cord can reach about here, so we'll put our plug right up here. And I have our plug right here. Let's just double check that this is going to fit. Yeah, that'll fit. So a couple screws in this. Okay, so we have the cord from the bucket, and that'll plug in, so it always has power. And then this cord for the light, we will plug in to the switch side. And then we'll aim this see, I need a tool to twist that. Got my pliers here. And that. We'll aim it. We'll aim it at the building itself, so that once it gets dark, it'll kick on. Okay, that should be good. Now we'll fill our bucket with our water, our cold water. Put the lid on. And hopefully that'll work, and we'll have fresh water for the chickens year round. It won't freeze. We won't have to work to keep them fresh water every day, and they'll have light when it gets dark. So I'm going to take over the camera and let Callan tell you what else is going on.
Alright, we're going to do a quick overview of what we did.
Okay. What's that bucket with the red lid?
It's their bucket that they drink out of.
What's so special about it?
Like, it's special because it's like powered to like not get frozen. It's like,
yeah. It's heated.
Yeah, heated.
Okay. And so what's this up here?
Their night light.
And what controls that?
That right there, the plug.
Yeah.
And that.
We got that plug that we made in another video, where part is switched and part is constant. So we're gonna put this to use and monitor it, and we'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, anything else you want to say, Callan?
Well, it was fun doing this, and always remember, like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next Today We're Gonna.
Awesome, man. Why don't you get some shots of me closing it up?
Alright.
Okay, that's it. We'll check back and see if that water's warming up at all. So stay tuned for that. Turn it off. Good morning, everybody. It's been a couple of days since we put in the bucket and light in the coop. You can actually see the coop there behind me, right there, shining brightly. The light has worked as planned. It comes on just before dark and stays on all. It just went out. So as you can see, it's working properly, and I'm very happy with that part. So now we're going to go out and check on the water, the bucket situation. It's been plugged in for a couple days, and as you can see, we've gotten some snow. It started snowing when we filmed that other video, and now we got a couple inches of snow, and it's been below freezing for a couple of days, so we'll see just how this water is holding up. So come along with me. I'm gonna grab some food to take out for them, and maybe we'll even catch a glimpse of the rare domestic chicken. So come along. That'll give them something to scratch at. And the bucket is here. Let's see. It's liquid water. It's cool. It's not cold, but it is liquid. And it has nipples here on the side that when they peck at those, it opens a little valve, a little spring-loaded valve, and the water comes out for them to drink. So that's working well. The light is working well, and chickens seem to be happy. At the very least, they're content. So it's a rare glimpse, the domestic chicken, caged for what seems an eternity. I'd like to see them drink from this bucket to make sure that they have in fact figured it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they've got it figured out. So yeah, I would say I'm pleased with this watering bucket. It's kept the water liquid. We'll see. I'll keep an eye on it as the temperatures drop. Once we get down near 0 or below 0, I'll be curious to see if it's able to keep up. So yeah, that is working well, and that light works well, as you saw. So we'll call this a success for now. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by, checking in. You can subscribe if you like. You can give a thumbs up if you like. And if you push that bell icon, you will get a notification when a new video is posted. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you.